To lock apps on your Google Pixel phone, first let's open our settings. Then we should be able to find security options somewhere around here. Then scroll down and look for private space. We want to open that. Then we need to use password or our fingerprint to unlock our device. And then we can set up the private space on our phone using Google account. So let's click on the setup. Then we can create a Google account to help keep your data private. I'm gonna skip it and use the screen lock for this section. You can create a new screen lock for that specific function if you like. Then we can click on done, and now on the bottom you can find the private space. You can select apps and then click on this button right here. It will scan for your Face ID, but in this case I just want to enter the password. It should unlock, and then now you can drag the apps that you want to have locked. So it doesn't work like that, sorry. We need to click and hold it and install it in private. Now the specific app that we chose will be moved right here.